Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make soup in the forest. First, let's gather our ingredients. Begin by carefully identifying edible wild plants such as nettles, dandelions, or wild garlic. Always be 100% sure of what you are picking to avoid any harmful plants. Next, find a reliable source of fresh water, like a clear stream or melted snow, ensuring it is safe for consumption. This initial step is crucial for a delicious and safe forest meal. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time for preparation. Thoroughly clean all your gathered plants and any small game you might have, removing any dirt or debris. Next, build a safe and controlled campfire, ensuring you have a stable spot to place your cooking vessel. A good fire is essential for even cooking. Finally, find a sturdy, heat-resistant pot or container that can withstand direct flame. With your fire ready and ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Add your cleaned water and tougher ingredients like roots or denser greens to the pot first. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a steady simmer. Cook for at least 30 minutes, allowing flavors to meld. Add more delicate ingredients, such as tender leaves or small berries, during the last 10 minutes of cooking. Your delicious forest soup is now ready. Carefully remove the hot pot from the fire using protective gear, like thick gloves or a cloth. Taste your soup and adjust the seasoning with any wild herbs you might have, or a small pinch of salt if you carry it. Enjoy your warm, nourishing meal, savoring the flavors of the wilderness. Always remember to extinguish your fire completely and leave no trace behind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.